If you want to start jamming in FigJam, this is the fastest beginner-friendly walkthrough to get you from a blank board to collaborating with your team in just a few minutes. FigJam is perfect for brainstorming, planning, mapping out ideas, running meetings, and making your work feel a lot more interactive and visual. So, if you've been wondering how to open a board, invite people, and use the most important tools, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. It really helps support the channel and it makes sure you don't miss the next guide. Alright, let's get into it. First, you need to create a FigJam file. To do that, open your Figma file browser and click New FigJam. If you want an even faster shortcut, you can also type figjam.new directly into your browser address bar. That will take you straight into a new FigJam board without extra clicking, which is super handy when you want to start brainstorming right away. Once your board opens, you'll see the FigJam canvas. This is your main workspace, and one of the best things about FigJam is that it gives you an infinite canvas, so you never really run out of room. You can zoom, pan, and build out your ideas however you like. If you want to start from scratch, just use the blank board. If you want a head start, FigJam also gives you templates that can save a lot of time. To bring other people into the board, click the share button in the top right corner. From there, you can copy the link and send it to teammates, or you can start an open session so guests can jump in more easily. This is what makes FigJam so useful for collaboration because everyone can work together in real time. Whether you're planning a project, running a workshop, or just collecting ideas, sharing the board is the first step to turning it into a team workspace. If you want to use a ready-made layout, click the plus icon at the bottom of the board, then choose Template. From there, you can pick a brainstorming template, meeting layout, or another structure that fits what you're doing. Templates are a great way to skip the setup and get straight into the actual work. Instead of building everything manually, you can just drop in a format that already makes sense and start filling it in. Now, let's go over the essential jamming tools you'll use most often. The first one is sticky notes. Sticky notes are one of the most important parts of FigJam because they make it easy to capture ideas quickly. Just press S on your keyboard and you'll drop a sticky note onto the board. Then type your idea inside it. You can create one note for a thought, one for a task, or a whole cluster of notes for brainstorming sessions. If you're in a team meeting, sticky notes make it easy for everyone to contribute without overthinking the layout. Next is drawing and shapes. If you want to sketch out a process, mark up an idea, or build a flowchart, press M on your keyboard to open the marker tool. This lets you draw freehand right on the board. If you need cleaner structures like boxes, arrows, or diagrams, use the shape tool from the bottom toolbar. Shapes are great when you want to organize ideas visually and connect different parts of a workflow. Another really fun part of FigJam is the reaction tools. From the bottom toolbar, you can use stamps, emoji wheels, and even audio or music features to interact with your team in real time. These small interactions make the board feel more alive and engaging, especially during collaborative sessions. If someone shares a great idea, you can react instantly without interrupting the flow of the conversation. And one of the most useful shortcuts for collaboration is cursor chat. If you press the / key, you can quickly chat right next to your cursor without opening a separate text box. This is great when you want to leave a quick comment, ask a question, or guide someone's attention to a specific area on the board. It keeps communication lightweight and helps the team stay focused while working. As you practice, try combining these tools together. You can start with a template, add sticky notes for ideas, sketch connections with the marker, build structured diagrams with shapes, and use reactions or cursor chat to keep everyone engaged. That's really the core of jamming in FigJam, making collaboration visual, fast, and easy. So to recap, the basic workflow is simple. Create a new FigJam board, invite collaborators through share, choose a blank canvas or template, then start using sticky notes, drawing tools, reactions, and cursor chat to bring your ideas to life. Once you get comfortable with those basics, FigJam becomes a really powerful space for brainstorming and team planning. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. And if you want, check out the next tutorial for more FigJam tips and shortcuts so you can work even faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.